The Department of Agriculture expects the country to have enough supply of rice as well as other agri-products for the coming year. DA Assistant Secretary Arnel de Mesa explains the country has almost 3 months worth of stable grain supply in its stock inventory, even if this time is considered to be the lean months. This is also what the agency expects from other agricultural products like livestock or for pork and chicken meat. Livestock players earlier guaranteed there will not be a problem in the supply of such agri-products. Likewise, government expects to have sufficient supply of vegetables and fish as the fishing season will end in either January or February of next year.
Kahit may lean months at wala tayong anihin pa hanggang March, April, meron tayong sapat na imbak ng bigas at meron din naman ding importasyon na dumarating during the first quarter. So makakaasa tayo ng magandang supply at magandang presyo ng bigas ng mga first quarter next year.